Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Welcome to the Frozen Pizza Mega Factory.
Thousands of pizzas are made here every hour.
It all starts with high-quality ingredients.
Flour is mixed automatically in giant machines.
Water and yeast are added precisely.
Dough is kneaded to perfection.
Dough is divided into equal portions.
Each piece is shaped into a pizza base.
Bases move along fast conveyor belts. Fresh tomato sauce is added evenly.
Cheese is sprinkled automatically.
Pepperoni slices are placed perfectly. Vegetables are distributed evenly. Every pizza is checked by sensors. Imperfect pizzas are removed instantly. Perfect pizzas move to the oven.
They are baked at high temperatures.
The pizzas come out perfectly cooked.
Cooling begins immediately.
Each pizza is frozen solid. Packaging begins automatically. Boxes are formed instantly.
Pizzas are placed inside boxes.
Labels are printed and applied.
Finished products move to storage.
Trucks are loaded quickly.
Frozen pizzas travel worldwide.
Enjoy delicious pizza in minutes.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.